Hi guys, my name is Claire. So for today's, we're gonna play Slap Tower 2. Hopefully, I am not gonna get slapped and fall down and fall down and fall down. Anyways, let's get started. So I'm starting just a normal, normal. Mhm. Oh my god, there's many people here. Hopefully, not gonna get slapped and fall down. Yes. Sorry, I'm a noob at tower, but I'm gonna try my best. So hopefully, oh, thanks. He waited me. Uh, go, you're first. Aba. Oh, he didn't throw me. Thank you. Shout out to you. Hopefully I'm not. Oh my god. Hopefully I'm not gonna get hurt or slapped or fall down. Oh my god. So nervous right now. I'm at the green. Color green. Yes, yes. Oop. Oh my god, a hard level for me. Oh my god, I can't. Oh, I fell down. Oh, I fall down again. What? Bruh. Oh my god. I'm no but the slap towers. Or the towers. Oh my god. There's a slap. Oh, thank you. Shout out to you. Many people are so kind. But I only see two in this tower. Many people are slapping me, or other people is slapping each other. But I'm not gonna troll, I'm not gonna slap people. Oh my god. Yay, thank you very much. Hopefully I'm not gonna go down. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, I'm not the I am at the purple level. Okay. Oh my god. I can't do that. I can't. Oh, I fall down again. Oh my god. No way. Hopefully I'm not gonna get slapped. Um oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm at the green level again. I can't go to the one like the three layers of the square. Yeah, I can't go there. Oh my god, slapping me! What are you doing? Are you? Oh my god, you're so bad! Oh my god! But it's okay. I'm gonna continue. What the? Stop slapping me, bro! Oh my god. Why slapping me? Oh my god. The boy is slapping others. My god. I'm gonna purple level again. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall down again. Fall down. Like, oh hell. Oh my god, there's the guy who is slapping me or slapping other people. No. I'm not gonna go there. You're gonna slap me. Oh my god, no. No way. He's following me. He's following me. And trying to slap me? No way. Oh, oh my god, no, 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 no. Don't move here, bro. He's following me, bro. See? He's following me. Oh, that's for the day. Bye-bye.